The empty classrooms and the stack of papers to grade are never ending.
Hi everyone, I'm David Garcia. I've been teaching for 13 years, and just like many of you, I've had that moment. That moment where the passion and flicker fall under the weight of everything else. Teaching, testing, behavior challenges, as well as family responsibilities. And one day you realize that the energy you had that used to fuel your classrooms is barely keeping you going. That's burnout. That is the definition of burnout. But it's not a sign of weakness. It's just you have given so much. And now it's time to refuel. Today I want to take the time and share with you a 15-minute reset, a way to reconnect to the reasons why you first became a teacher, and restore your mind and body. And remember that you are more than just a job.
Just as the drill stopped, we need to stop as well.
Teacher burnout is real. According to research, it shows that teachers experience exhaustion, depersonalization, and a reduced sense of accomplishment. This is according to Maslach and later 2016. But beyond the research, we know what it feels like. The loss of passion, the fact that you sleep and you wake up tired, the lack of a creativity, and how small things sometimes get to us. Because I too, like I said in the video, I am a school teacher. But the first step to healing is creating the awareness of burnout. But burnout is always associated with your job. But it's not really about that. It's the disconnection. The disconnection to your passion, the disconnection from your body, the disconnection from stillness. You know, as a counselor in training, we learn that healing begins with reconnecting the mind, body, and soul, or purpose.
We need to sharpen our minds as we sharpen our tools or a kitchen knife so that we can become efficient again.
Self-care isn't being selfish. It's maintenance. It's just like sharpening a tool in a workshop. It keeps you effective. Like I have to sharpen my chisels once in a while so they can cut efficiently through the wood I'm working with. Self-care is a necessity, I believe, for all teachers. But here are practical ways to do it, or some practical ways to do it. Schedule a day, pause, even for 5 minutes of silence can reset your nervous system. Move with intention, stretch, breathe, walk, or flow. Your body holds your stress until you release it. Create something. Build, draw, write, reconnecting the creativity that reminds you who you are beyond the classroom. I believe many of us get stuck in the classroom and we forget who we are. Set boundaries. Healing takes time for them and for you. Seek connection. Don't isolate yourself. Talk to a colleague, a counselor, a friend. Look for counseling. Remember, rejuvenation isn't found in a huge vacation. It's in the small and daily choices we make. Build it there.
Pause and reboot.
As I came into my workshop, I began to realize when I began to pursue my master's in mental health, in counseling, and I came to realize how our mental health is connected to our daily environment and what we do on a daily basis. We as teachers are emotional barometers of the classroom, and the children know it. We are either calm, whole, and students feel it. Students feel when you are feeling good. Today I want to challenge you to pause. Take a deep breath. Pick up a tool, a book, a brush. Do something for you. Something that will help you reconnect. Something that brings you back to you, to who you are. Because when you restore, or we restore ourselves, we have purpose. And when we reclaim our balance, we remind others it is possible. I want to thank you for sharing this moment with me. I'm David Garcia. I'm the South Texas craftsman. That is, I love to build, and I build, you build.